Hello and welcome to Robotics and Games Club. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to pass practice 1 of building level 2. So we'll click on building. Here it says practice 1, move the robot. So the example is we have motor right 0, 100 and motor right 1, 100. So what that is doing is it says, so motor port 0 is connected to this wheel, and so that's port 0 is connected to this motor, and it's going to give it a power of 100. So this is going to move forward, or it's going to move a positive 100, which is going to be in this direction. So motor right 1, that's this port, motor port 1, is connected to this wheel, and it's going to give it a power of 100. So again, this one's going to move at 100. So if both of these wheels are moving at 100, or full, what's it going to do? The answer is it's going to go straight forward. Okay, so let's do the practice. So I click on practice, and it's going to show me a robot, and it's going to have a little program here. So when it has this 2 slashes and this is in red, it's just a little comment that's telling me something about the code. Okay, so here it says this is a full program. So if you copied this, if you built this robot in your build window and copied this code in, it would do whatever this robot is doing. And we'll get to that at practice number 3. But for right now, we just need to figure out what is this robot going to do. And we have motor port 1 is connected to this wheel, and it's going to go at 40. And this port is connected to this wheel, so port 0 is going to be given 80. So this wheel is going to go twice as fast as this wheel. So what's going to happen? It's going to turn forward and to the right. Okay, here's a program snippet. So here's a robot, here's the program snippet. So the snippet is just a small part of the program. It doesn't have, like, you can't copy this and paste it in your programming window when you're building your robot, and it won't run. It'll have a lot of complaints. The compiler won't let you do this because it's just a snippet. But if you had the rest of the code in there, you could add this, and the robot would move at this, what it's specifying here. So motor right, we're doing port 1 is connected to here, and it's going to be at 80. So this is going to go at 80, which is almost full speed. And motor right 0 is connected to this wheel, and this wheel is going to go negative 80. So what's going to happen? This is going to go forward, this is going to go backwards, it's going to spin to the left. So I click on spin to the left, and my third question is, we again have a full program. So it's going to start with setup. And my motor port is going to do 1 is going to be at negative 90, and 0 is going to be at 90. Okay, so this one is going to go backwards, and this one is going to go forwards. So what happens? It's going to spin to the right. So I click on spin to the right, and there we go. So here it shows that in this program, the answer was turn to the right, and I chose turn right forward. I chose turn right forward. And I've got all my answers right, and practice 1 is passed.